Okay, class, this is Dr. Warren, and I want to show you an example of how to develop your course in this EDU601. By the time you finish EDU601, everything has to be done. Your entire course has to be built, okay? So I want to show you an example of another student's course to give you an idea of how to create the lessons and how to create the assignments. So this is a course on talking to parents in the early childhood classroom, collaborating with parents, okay? So of course we have the description. Of course we have, you know, we may have a discussion board, intro discussion board that's got some content and also introductions to each other. So you want to have a discussion board early on that maybe challenges them to think about something or do something, but also introduce themselves to each other, okay? Then you want to have a lesson, and I suggest that you let your students know what they're getting themselves into by having the word lesson or word discussion board or word assignment ahead of time, and then the actual title of the lesson, okay? So here's an example of a lesson on empathic listening skills. And you have to have good listening skills for a parent to be able to interact with a parent. So this is called curating, okay? She's curating these websites. You don't have to design the content. You can pull videos, you can pull websites, you can pull other material into your lesson, but then you don't just throw raw links up there. You curate them. You say, you know, here, you introduce them to learning about the content that this link is taking them to, okay? And then it's not a raw link. Notice it's a title. It's the title of the page or video that is linked again. And then she goes, okay, and then she takes them down to the next level. They learn about this, now they're moving on into a little bit deeper, talking about, she curates the next link and then curates the next link, okay? And it's nice to have a little graphic in there as well. And then she's got the, this should have said assignment, but it didn't, it doesn't, but then she's got the assignment, okay? And in the assignment, this is a very simple little assignment. I want to find, I did create, I think she created a full-blown assignment here. Here's one. So in the, you know, in your assignments, they can be very simple if they're simple, like a journal or something, or they do need to then, if there's, you know, more complex, more authentic, then you do want to have, you know, the intro, steps to completion, and then maybe some support. Here's a tutorial for how to, if they're doing a video on their role play and then they're submitting it to the instructor, so how to do that. And then, you know, the next steps, and then the grading, she's got a rubric for them. And you probably have the same thing for your final assignment. If you have other complex activities, you want to use that same template, okay? So again, you want to curate your lessons. She's got another set here, okay? You want to use that template for your assignments. Now I'm going to take you to a website that has links to how to do all that. And I will send this to you guys as well. Let's see here. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay. So this website I'm going to send to you, and it's got links to all kinds of tutorials and videos for you. And it's taking forever to load. Sorry about that. Come on. My goodness. Come on. Okay, here we go. All right, and so here is the EDU601. And this is creating lessons by curating resources, and then the assignment template worksheet, okay? So these I'm going to send to you, and then it talks about how to curate lessons. And then we also have in the 602 section, we have how to add media and links to course sites. So again, don't put up a raw link the title of the page or video, and have it jump to that, or how to actually add a video so it embeds in your page. So that's here in the 602 section, and then creating lessons by curating resources, and then that assignment template worksheet, and it downloads. And then you've got that assignment template that you can copy and paste right into your course, and then just kind of work it, massage it. You should be working in your courses by now, okay? So just start taking your brainstorming and your ideas and start building your lessons. Lessons first, assignments next. And again, assignments can be a combination of a couple of lessons. Okay, get going, you guys, and call me. Let's set up meetings. Let's work together. I like to do that, and I find that it's helpful. Okay, so we'll be seeing you. You know how to get a hold of me. Thanks.